Should you have a real estate agent when you go buy a new home?
Find out that your contract on your behalf is secure.
Welcome to our almost new house. It has walls now. There goes our garage. We're super excited because it looks like our neighborhood is coming together. It's super exciting for us to see the walls going up. There's a second story, crack-a-lacking.
Knock, knock, knock. Oh, hello. Welcome to my friendly abode. The bathroom is right here. They said they would have let me in. Living room, backyard, the stairs.
When you buy a new home, because this is our very first new home, should you have a real estate agent when you go buy a new home? Because it almost seems a little like almost useless because they have a salesperson there that has a real estate license. In your opinion, what do you think? Should you have an experienced real estate agent?
Absolutely.
In your opinion, why?
Because they...
5 hours later. Anyways, so answer the question.
No, you guys are
Answer
mean.
the question, Nyla. We're gonna edit this beautifully.
Right.
Just in case the people that work here try to get over on you or tell you something that verbally tell you something and then you find out that it wasn't true or that your contract on your behalf is secure and exactly how you think it should be, because we've had a few
Hiccups. Yeah. Even though we told them that we had plenty of experience and we're in the business, they do verbally tell you a lot of things, and a lot of those things are bullshit sales. They get you all hyped up, and in my opinion, they want to get the new young buyer that's just excited to buy because it's a new house, and we're not playing those games. So make sure
You need your own advocate on your
Yeah.
end.
Yeah, because it is exciting. It's like going to buy a new car. It's like you go to a dealership and you're like, I don't need a car. But as soon as you get in one, you smell it, you want to drive it, and next thing you know, you drive home with it. This is way too much money to play games with. So make sure you have an experienced, licensed real estate agent with you that really knows the game. Maybe not necessarily for new home purchases, but it would be suggested because there's a lot of stuff that you're told that may or may not be real, or that the salesperson that you're dealing with doesn't quite know. Anyways, not trying to diss on them, but it's just like anything else in this world that you spend a lot of money on, that you worked really hard for. Make sure that you do your homework and you pay attention and everything's in writing.
And it hasn't been all bad experiences. We've gotten a lot of progress pictures, and they'll call and check in every now and again and answer all of our questions.
So if you do have more questions about purchasing, whether it's an existing home or a new build, hit us up, because we've gone through it all, and we're still going through this new build. Almost every single new builder has their own lender. You may or may not want to go through that lender as well, but if you have any questions about that, hit us up, Lisette and Nigel at the Hinton Group. And yeah, stay tuned, subscribe for more videos, and we'll be at you with more progress.
Thank you, sir.
Pleasure doing business with you.
Thank you.